Okay. Same night, same parking lot. Just as a visual treat, we're gonna take out the tunnel ram with the 1800 kV motors. The only LED frame I have left that still lives. I have a lot of the LEDs left, but the frames itself had not survived any of my exploits. A little difficult here, you know the deal with XK, man. Hopefully this is focused in on it. Oh, it's chilly. It's midnight. Thought you guys could use a treat though. Feeling a little sluggish, huh? Try to give him a punch out over my head. Ready? Go. Good. Oh, do! Something's wrong. Come on back home, baby. You okay? I heard something crack. Too cold? You haven't been adjusted? Light's red. Okay, come on home. Come on home. Come on home. Come on, baby. It's been a long time. I know. It's been so long. Come on, you can come back down. You might like the other blades. At least I did change his lights. Alright, baby. Thank you. Mobius head cam check. Asshat test run. Number 1 about to start. We had to cut it short at the other location due to the police activity. And now we're blind. We don't know what the fuck we're doing. Temporarily. First test. Let's start. That stoner. It's a Mobius camera in the front, but it's not activated. It's just on there for weight. We got clearance. No, Stone. Back, baby. No. 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 This thing will chop you up, baby. We have the neighborhood dog. Really, really good looking dog though, man. You can't see him. The dog's fucking beautiful. Okay, that's with the 2300 kV, so we're not gonna push it because we're here. And the Bugs 3 props. It's loud though, huh? Whoa, we got a vibration when we yaw. So we got to do some more clearance. I heard it. I heard the blades. Come on, baby. Still fast as hell. Oh yeah, we got bad vibration. Blades are hitting. Blades are hitting. Let's ground him. We gotta go ahead and redo this canopy. We got good flight. Check the heat of the motors too. Stony, you around? Okay. Motors are very cool to the touch. Okay. Alright, so what I can tell is I just got to work with the clearance of the blades before I go ahead and put a camera on it and really step on it. But it works. I'm sprung now. I want to fly. Shit. The vibration's got to go though. The ASAT 2300 kV motors on the XKX 350. It's too loud too for the block. Yeah, shit's quiet. All right. I can sound like a lawnmower.